Hey everyone, my name is Patrick Fingler, and in this tech tip video, I'm going to be highlighting how to save and load projects inside of Geocortex Web. Let's get started. Alright, so in this tech tip video, I'm going to provide you an overview of all of the different elements that get saved when you save a project in Geocortex Web. So Geocortex Web has this capability to save and load projects, and this allows an end user to essentially save the state of the application that they're working with, which can be really nice for, improving their user workflows that they might be running on a day-to-day basis, or creating backups, or just sharing, some analysis with different users as well. So to get started, I'll first provide you just an overview of all of the different elements. So some of the things that get saved when you save a project include the map location. So this includes, the extent of the map, the scale, the rotation, the underlying map layers that you have toggled on and off, any layers that you've maybe added at runtime. So if you've uploaded a layer via, a shapefile, or added it using our layer catalog tool, those will get included in the saved project. If you've adjusted the base map as well, that will be included as well. Any markup or measurements that you add, as well as the underlying results. So if you've identified some features and those results have been included, that will also get included within your saved project. So let's maybe confirm this, and so that you can see how you can leverage saved projects and just get an understanding of what type of information gets stored. So let's get started. First, let's turn off and on some layers. So maybe we want to turn off the buildings layer, and maybe we want to turn on this neighborhoods layer, which I think we have to zoom out to view. So there's some different neighborhoods available. Additionally, let's maybe change our base map as well. So let's turn it to World Navigation Map, which is one of my favorite base maps provided by Esri. And let's also maybe add some user added layers as well. So let's maybe upload a layer on the fly and search for Victoria, BC. Maybe we're interested in all of the grocery stores in Victoria, BC. So we can see I've now added that as a layer. If I zoom out, we should see a couple of them. So we can see there's one or two in this particular neighborhood. We've got two down here. So let's also change our extent. So let's maybe zoom to this particular location. Let's maybe rotate the map a little bit. You can see our scale has now changed. And let's maybe identify a couple of features as well. So let's select number of features here. So we can see we've got 5 water lines, one of those features selected, 2 hydrants. And if I wanted to, I could even export some of this data to a shapefile, just to also show that we can also upload shapefiles as well. So let's maybe go back and add a layer from a file and upload a shapefile. Let's just browse to that location. You can see this is the name of the shapefile that I just exported. And here we can see we've got some water lines that have been added. You can see that these ones are a little bit lighter blue. It's a bit hard to see, but they're a little bit lighter compared to the original ones as well. So we've uploaded a shapefile, and then we've also added a user added layer for those grocery stores as well. Additionally, we might want to add some markup onto the map. So maybe I want to draw a polygon to highlight this particular playground that's listed there. Additionally, maybe we want to add some measurements as well. So let's maybe, select this water line over here and measure the pipe and distance of it, so that we can see that's 160 meters, or maybe we want to just add some arbitrary measurements or area as well. So let's maybe kind of get an approximate measurement or area of this particular building. And then let's maybe finally just select some results as well. So let's maybe select a couple of these results here. And At this point, I'm pretty happy with the current state of my project. We've adjusted the extent, the rotation of the map, the scale. We've turned on and off certain layers. We've added user layers. We've added some markup and measurements. And maybe I want to share these results with another user. So to do so, I can go to I want to and click on Saved Project. I'm just using the default template that is provided with our default, WebGIS template. But if you wanted to, you're not too sure where this, command lives, let's also maybe add the Saved Project option to the toolbar. So here I've navigated to our toolbar component. Let's just add a menu item. And you can see here, this is a list of commands. So if we scroll down, you can see there's a load project command and there's also a save project command. So I'll click select and I'll save that project. And then here, if we click on save project, this is going to open up the prompt, ask us for a title. I'll say this is my custom project and click OK. This is going to export that to a JSON file. And then here, if I want to kind of refresh my app. So this is the same app, but just the default state. I'm going to go ahead and load that project. So let's go I want to load project. You can see here we've got the buildings layer turned on. We've got a different base map. Here I'll just upload that project that we just exported. So let's select my custom project and click OK. So here you can see that the project has been successfully loaded. We can see we've got some measurements being listed on the map. We've got some markup. Our results lists and features got successfully added. We've successfully navigated to the current extent and rotation has been applied. And if we go back and go to our layers list, you can see here, the grocery stores feature, this little point, these 2 points that we added got uploaded, as well as the shapefile that we uploaded as well. So hopefully that gives you an overview of all of the different things that you can store when you save a project inside of Geocortex Web. And if you are happy with this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.